What you see here is called a rocket stove. It's just made out of food cans, the steel cans. So what happens is that you have like an outer one, and then you have like a little bit of insulation using cement, and then the inside is like a tomato sauce, like a larger one, or maybe it can be like baked beans, and the bottom one is like a regular soup can. So what you do is that you put them together. This is some aluminum tape, and I put some screws so you can actually hold the pot. Sometimes when I'm working in one of the properties, I like to have that flavor of like wood camping like outdoor flavor on my food. So in this case we have lentils over here, and look, it's boiling now, so it's nice and warm, kind of the beginning of fall, and it's just nice to kind of carry that little thing with you. You just need like little branches, and that's all pretty much it. So I hope you like it. Make one for yourself. Bye.